lots of families back into that school routine, and sometimes that means it can be hard to find recipe inspiration at dinner time. So join us now for some ideas on how to make the most of what might already be in your fridge. We have Chef Hugh Groman. Hugh, always great to see you. How are you this morning?
Oh, I'm really good, Claudine. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. Looking forward to some ideas because it is tough. You know, we got so used to kind of being at home, and now that we're all out and about, that's all a good thing, but it does shrink the number of hours in the day, it feels like.
Yes, for sure. And a lot of people are really afraid and trying to work and balance family and kids, and this is just the easiest, most delicious dinner you can put together in literally 5 minutes.
Okay, show us what you got.
So I'm starting out with the bacon bits, and this is a whole key to this dish. I've got 2 pieces of bacon, I've cut them up, and I'm going to throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes. I'm going to cover it with a little piece of paper towel so it doesn't make a mess.
Wow,
okay?
I have never made bacon in the microwave. I have made it on the stove, obviously. I have baked it in the oven, but the microwave, I don't know. I've never done it.
It's certainly fast and easy. It's still delicious, you're going to see, especially for this kind of a dish, because I'll cut it up into little pieces, and they're going to get crispy real fast.
Okay, perfect. So
can I tell you about what I'm doing?
Yes, I want to know. Give us the tips. Give us the secret.
This is like it's just a nice dinner salad with baby arugula, walnuts, blue cheese, homemade bacon bits, and then there's some other tricks and tips that are going to make this delicious, easy, and super fast. So you ready to come with me?
Yes. Perfect. You know me too. Easy, fast is all the words that I like.
So I usually do I usually do a cocktail, but it's the weeknight. So I'm opening a bottle of wine, and I'm just going to give you a little tip for how you open wine with this like traditional wine opener. You just keep it low. Keep it low on your leg, and then pull towards you gently, and oh, I almost broke the cork. There we go. Okay, so we've got some Chardonnay to drink while we're making our salad.
I really like that you started with that, and I'm really disappointed that you're not in studio.
It's 10 a.m.
So I can drink my Chardonnay while watching you make a salad. Okay.
I'm already on board. Wine and bacon bits?
Wine, bacon
I want to see where this
goes.
goes.
Yeah, it's my homage to Kathy Lee Gifford. Okay, so we've got some baby arugula. And this is, just comes already washed. And I'm going to do about what amounts to about a half of a bag. I had a little bit left in my first bag here. And this is going to be enough for 2 people, but you can use the whole bag and make it for 4 people. And then I'm going to show you how to cut up an onion. So this is really live, right? It's not all pre-prepped. So we just cut off the little ends and peel it real quick. And then you're going to make sure, here's one of those tricks for not messing it up. Claudine, you're always asking about?
Yep. Wait, don't tell my secrets. I know, I mess it up all the time, but yes.
Use a sharp knife so you don't cut your fingers, okay?
What about the secret to not crying when you're cutting up your onions?
Oh, well, honestly, we use a fan at the kitchen. We have a fan that's set up next to our work surface, especially when we're doing a lot of onions all at once. And and we have the fan blowing the air out of the way, and that does it.
Nothing better than sopping while making dinner. That might be me or may not.
So, okay, here's another little trick. I have these little seed crackers. You can get these at Trader Joe's. And you just crumble them up, and they make the most delicious croutons.
Oh.
Okay? So I've got red onions.
I was going to ask about croutons. You're one step ahead of me.
And then I've got this blue cheese that's been in the fridge, and it's just like a nice crumbly blue cheese. And I'm going to use a little serrated knife, and I'm just going to... Oh, you didn't see that.
We didn't see that. It never happened.
That never happened. So, so when you keep it in the fridge, it stays cold and it crumbles more easily. Okay? So now we're almost there. We've got these tiny tomatoes.
Okay.
And if you're really fancy, you can take a few and cut them in half, and that'll give you some tomato juice. But we don't even need to take the time to do that. So salad dressing. I don't love store-bought salad dressing. So. And sometimes you don't really want to take the time to make a whole dressing. So this is going to be like a balsamic Dijon vinaigrette, but with a twist. So I've got a little spoonful of the Dijon mustard, and I've got it in the bowl, and I'm just going to spread it inside of the bowl so that when I'm mixing the salad, it just gets mixed in really easily. And then,
don't forget soggy, which is good.
Don't forget the walnuts.
And the walnuts.
Boom.
Okay.
And then I've got a little salt and pepper. Okay. And then I've got my balsamic vinegar, and I'm just gonna, to taste, I'm just gonna sprinkle some on there. Now here's the fun trick here. I've got this bacon. It's been in the oven for, the microwave oven for 2 minutes. And it's all cooked up, and then there's the bacon fat in there, right? So here's where it gets really crazy. Boom. And
Nice.
I use the bacon fat as the oil for the dressing. So it's fast, efficient. You don't have that problem where you don't know what to do with your bacon fat. And that's it.
I
So
always
now I'm
find
just
use
gonna.
for it.
Oh yeah, using every part, right? Using every
Well,
part
you already count the calories. If you're logging food, the way I feel like if you've logged your bacon, you get to use all of the bacon and
Absolutely.
everything else.
My husband has a recipe for these Swedish ginger cookies made with bacon fat.
What?
And I tell you, they are delicious.
And it's all low fat, right? That's low fat, low carb cookies.
We have a finicky dog, but whenever we make those cookies, she's like,
Oh, I bet.
Daddy's
Yeah.
making the cookies again.
And here's the
So-
thing, I think there are finicky kids who may be like salad, but if you make them a great salad, maybe
Exactly.
they'll-
There's a lot of kids who love salad. You know, a lot of kids are, more into salad. We live in the Bay Area. So here we go. And
That
I've got
looks-
this dished up for 2.
Dished up for 2. All right. That looks fantastic. As you're plating, we'll thank you, Hugh Groman.
Looks delicious.
Great chef, great ideas. And the Chardonnay and the salad and the bacon in the microwave looks fantastic.
Look at
Go
that.
ahead and enjoy that without us. Just rub it in. Rub it in, Hugh. It looks great.
He already did a little Chardonnay. Now he's having the salad.
beautiful that
That's
is.
a great way to start a Saturday
Looks
morning. It's
awesome.
perfect.
I'm going to go home and microwave some bacon. All right. Hugh, thank you so much. Always great to have you on the show.
Thank you
Hugh.
so much.
All
Really
right.
good to see you.